Are your windshield wipers causing streaks on your windshield, or is the blade part disintegrated? Stick around, we'll show you how to replace them. Existing one off. You just push. There's a tab right there you push, and then you slide it towards the base of the wiper. We've got the Rain-X wipers that we're going to be putting on our 2013 Toyota Camry. This is a really simple job. So take the wiper out of the packaging, and if you notice, it's got a little piece that you slide the wiper part into. Okay, so once you take the blade out of the package, you want to sit it on the window just like this, with these clips pointed this way. Push that out slightly. Turn your wiper blade. Bending. And slide it in. And then to fully lock it in place, it should click, and you shouldn't be able to push it back out. And that is it. That's how you install the wiper blade on a 2013 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching.